back to the channel. This is going to be episode 6 of the BMW rebuild. I'm going to be making an M3 clone. Today I'm going to be removing the bumper, putting in the little plastic pieces down here, and then the little plastic pieces up there, the sprinklers, and then just basically detailing the car. Right here we're going to put in the fog lights and those carbon fiber pieces that I have, and then basically making the car look pretty again. So let's get to it. Okay, now I'm going to put on the fog lights and the fog light covers, put in the center grille. The car looks a lot better, it's getting a lot more character. It's just looking better by each thing I do. Okay, now that we're done assembling the bumper, we're going to install these sprinklers for the windshield and that grille that goes underneath there. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we reinstalled all the pieces, the sprinklers, the grills and stuff. Now we're going to wash the car and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so this is the first official test drive. It's official for you guys. I drove it before, but this is the first one you guys are going to see. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so basically the car is pretty much done. There's a few little things left, like the rear bumper, but that's not going to be soon. So this is going to be a good ending point for this project. Hopefully we'll get a new project soon, but I'm going to do a montage of where we started, how the car went, and just basically a summary of all the episodes. I like this car, love how it turned out, so yeah, let's see where we started. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of this build. It was fun, doing the build with you guys, doing the episodes, shooting them. This car turned out really good. I love the car. Hopefully I'll be able to do more modifications to it, and I will post it for you guys if you guys want that. But for today and for this build, this is going to be it. If you guys enjoyed this series, like, comment, subscribe in this video. This is basically a recap of everything that happened, and see you guys later.